Hello friends, in this video you will see many jobs opportunities in USA. So guys, as a statement of Joe Biden that Trump will be the first president in modern American history to leave office with fewer jobs than when it began. So guys, there are plenty of jobs available yet now. Hello friends, Department of the Air Force, US Air Force is welcoming applications for the post of telecommunication technician guys. And before going forward, you should keep in mind that read the advertisement in details because I am just putting an overview of this requirement so that you can apply for these posts as per your interest guys. So let's see about opening and closing dates. You can apply for these posts from 1st of February 2020 that is past now to 31st means 31st of December 2020 you can apply for these posts up to 31st of December and the salary you will get in hand $41,000 plus salary. And there are multiple appointment types and multiple schedules. Let's see the locations where you will be posted. So first is BFBCA and there are few vacancies and you can see these are the locations where you could be posted. After joining this service, your responsibilities will be collecting travel tickets and job information and maintain the status of active schedules and unscheduled and deferred travel tickets. Review approved management products for analysis of accuracy, oversee annual review equipment inventory and preventive maintenance inspection schedule. For this post, you have to keep in mind you may be expected to travel for this position. Now let's see about requirements and conditions of employment. The eligibility for applying these posts are you must be US citizen and you have to be registered with www.ssa, that's this site, and selective service system, and you can register only if your age is within 18 to 25 years. If you are accepting or over this age range, you have to visit this column and for more updates. Total salaries may vary per year depending or as per depending of your location, and recruitment incentives may be authorized, and there are many more points that I recommend you to read yourselves. I will put the link of this job in description box where you can click and read this article. You can read about qualifications and after you can also read about the combination or the qualification schedule qualification standards, and you can see what's the meaning of GS first all positions and etc etc. You can also go through this site about knowledge, skill and abilities required for this position. If you want to preview the application questionnaire, you can follow the link given on bottom of this article. So in final guys, hope this video is helpful to you and thank